I have this PDF here, and to edit the PDF, I just select the text that I want to edit, click on this edit text here, and just start editing. I can just click anywhere and then start editing and say whatever I want to say. And when I'm doing it, you can see this exit editing mode here. That means that I am in editing mode, and after this I can just scroll the PDF and click anywhere and then make the changes. I can do this easily because I'm using SwifDoo Pro. And besides editing PDF, the two most common things that I use SwifDoo is to convert images to PDF and to merge different PDF files together. And stay till the end. In the end, I'll show you a very important and very cool tip that you can use to streamline your PDF reading and PDF summarizing processes. Okay, so the software that I'm talking about, SwifDoo, you can just easily get it by going to SwifDoo.com. I'll have this link in the description below. Click on free download and then just install after the installer has been downloaded. So let me show you how I use this application in my daily workflow. I've actually set this as my default PDF viewer. So if I don't want to do anything, if I just want to see, I can just open the PDF. I can browse by the PDF index here. I can just go to any section that I want easily. It's much more easier than Adobe PDF Reader. And if I want, as I've shown you, I can just select the text that I want and click on edit and then start editing right away. And another important thing that I use this for is to convert images to PDF. So let's say there's a photo you've taken of a contract, of a document, and you want to convert it to PDF before sending it to anybody. So what you can do is just click here and click on open, then go and select your images. Let's say I want to select this image and this image. You can just press Ctrl and click on as many images as you want. So let's say I want to convert these 3 images to PDF, right? I select all these 3 images by holding Ctrl and clicking on the images, and then just click on open. And now it will take a few minutes, and there we are. So you have all the 3 images aligned and resized perfectly. And now you can just click here on SwifDoo again and click on save as, and here just choose PDF documents and give it a name, test.pdf, and I'll save it in desktop. Click save, and if I go to desktop, here it is. Now I can just double click on it and it will be open in your browser, or you can open it anywhere you want, send it via email. So this is very important. I can easily convert images to PDF without going to any browser or using any online tool. Okay, so this is the second thing that I use it for. And the third most important thing that I use my SwifDoo application is to merge different PDFs. So let's say you want to merge 2 different PDFs. I want to merge this PDF that is currently open with the PDF that I just created. That is the image that we converted to PDF, right? So just click on merge here, and this is the PDF that is currently open, and click on add files and then choose your different PDF. This is the test.pdf that we created. And once those 2 are selected, if you have multiple PDFs, you can select or unselect any of the PDFs, right? In your output path, you can just click here and choose wherever you want to save your merged file. I'll choose desktop, click OK, and just click on start. Click OK here, and your files are now processing. And this is quite a bit large PDF. It has 36 pages. Okay, it's already completed. Now I can go back to my desktop and see the merged file here. Double click on it, and if I scroll down at the bottom, you'll see that different PDF is merged. So these are the top 3 things that I use my SwifDoo application for. But besides this, there are tons of applications, like you can convert PDF to Word, you can convert PDF to image, and you can do all that stuff. Now the cool tip that I was talking to you about when the video started is the AI tool. Now this PDF has 36 pages, right? Now I don't have to go through each of the pages manually to see what it is about. I can just click on this AI here, sign in, and then ask whatever I want from the SwifDoo PDF, and it will give you answers about the PDF. It will give you summarization. You can extract any information that you want quickly and easily without having to go through this PDF manually. So this is how you can edit PDF, convert images to PDF, or merge PDFs very quickly and easily. Also, there are a ton of other features that you can see here, that is merge PDF, convert PDF to Word or images, or convert Word to PDF, and so on. You can just go to SwifDoo.com. I'll have the link in the description below, and see all the features here. As you can see, there are tons of other features that might be very helpful to you and that can speed up your daily workflow. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.